In this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can activate your Wells Fargo debit card easily. So there are three ways in how you can activate this debit card. And this is a article that is made for us by Wells Fargo. As you can see, the first step is to scan the code with your mobile phone number to activate your debit card. So you can also activate it online or from your Wells Fargo mobile application. So just download the Wells Fargo mobile application and then find the option on how you can activate your debit card. So once you click this online, this will redirect you into this page. So make sure that you have saved your username and also your passcode in your Wells Fargo account and just click the sign on and follow the process on how you can activate your debit card. The other option is to call them directly with this number, which is 1-877-294-6933 from your home or your mobile phone number. So you can activate the card by using it with your PIN at any Wells Fargo ATM. So note, this PIN may be required when activating your debit card, and if you don't already have a PIN, it would have been mailed to you separately from your card. And this is the QR code where you can scan this and just activate your debit card directly using it. And that are the ways you can activate your debit card in Wells Fargo. And thank you for listening.